Before I had Jobber, I honestly missed a lot of stuff. Clients' appointments got missed, things got missed. Now I've got a full team. We're managing a ton of properties, and it's turned into $1 million cleaning business.
The software was so helpful because I had no idea what I was doing and had to get myself very organized.
Jobber makes it easy for me to do scheduling. I can see everything, so it helps me get an idea of who's truly available.
Jobber really does help a lot, especially in terms of things like the recurring cleanings. We have well over 125 recurring residential cleanings, so trying to keep up on those and not lose somebody along the way is huge. We have a team of 50 cleaners, so when we have over 150 Airbnbs that we service, it is detrimental to the business if they don't have everything that they need in one place. So the fact that we have that ability to have all of those notes on file, being able to have that for the cleaners that we can send anybody that we need to and they have everything right there, I feel like really helps.
We use Jobber to do our quoting. We've got line items and all different customization features that we have in there set up for our specific business, which gives us a quicker time frame to get that quote out to the client. So we also book clients a lot faster.
We use Jobber for our time clocks every day. Our cleaners clock in and out with the app, and that's what we use for payroll. Because we pay hourly, not per job, I need to know exactly how many hours each cleaner worked and what that actually costs us.
If you're not tracking labor, you're not making money. Thanks to Jobber, where I'm at right now, like the fact that I'm able to have a backyard is crazy because we used to have to eat from the food bank just to survive, and now I can feed 10 chickens and 3 dogs and a dragon and all the things. So it makes my heart full because that's all I wanted for my kids, was just a place to call home and somewhere that we could be stable and put our roots down and not have to leave every 6 months or a year.